Hello, I am Lily. Welcome to my garden. Today we will learn all about gardening and plant biology. Basics of gardening. Preparing the soil. First we need to prepare the soil. Good soil is full of nutrients that plants need to grow. Let's loosen the soil with a rake and mix in some compost to make it rich and healthy for our plants. Compost is made from decomposed organic material like fruit peels and leaves. It enriches the soil, helping plants grow better. Planting seeds. Now it's time to plant the seeds. We will make small holes in the soil and place the seeds inside. Cover the seeds with soil and water them gently. Soon they will start to sprout. It's important to plant seeds at the right depth and space them out properly so they have room to grow. Before we continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Plant biology. Parts of plant. Let's learn about the parts of plant. There is the root, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruit. Roots take in water and nutrients from the soil. The stem supports the plant and carries water to the leaves, where photosynthesis happens. Flowers are not just pretty. They help plants reproduce. After pollination, flowers can turn into fruits which contain seeds. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is how plants make their food. They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create energy. This process also produces oxygen, which we need to breathe. Plants are amazing. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants that captures sunlight for photosynthesis. It's what makes leaves green. Gardening tips. Watering and sunlight. Plants need the right amount of water and sunlight to grow strong. Water your plants regularly, but don't overwater them. Overwatering can drown plants, while underwatering can dry them out. It's important to find a balance. Make sure they get plenty of sunlight too. Caring for plants. Taking care of plants means checking for pests and diseases. Keep your garden clean and remove any weeds that might compete with your plants for nutrients. You can use natural methods to keep pests away, like planting marigolds to repel insects. Carnivorous plants. Did you know some plants eat insects? This is a Venus flytrap. It traps insects in its leaves and digests them for nutrients. Nature is full of surprises. There are other carnivorous plants too, like the pitcher plant, which traps insects in deep cavity filled with digestive liquid. Planting tree. Planting a tree is a great way to help the environment. Trees provide shade, produce oxygen, and support wildlife. Let's plant one together. When planting a tree, make sure to dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and water it well after planting. For more fun, check out this video. Thank you for watching. Until our next time, stay healthy and happy.